Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel lesson 66. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the part 4 related to our conditional formatting learning series. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about top-bottom rules under the conditional formatting. So we have some values here, sales ID. We can see there are 25 sales IDs and then the sales values related to those IDs. So we are going to use the conditional formatting option under the Home tab, then under the Style, the top bottom rules. So when you go there, you can see there are several options under that top bottom rules. The first one is about top 10 items. So let's learn how we can highlight the top 10 items based on values that you have in a range. Select your range first. Now come to the Home and Conditional Formatting and then top bottom rules. Click on top 10 items. You can see by default it has been selected the 10, but you can decrease this and increase this. Let's say here we want to see the top 10 sales values, right? Remember here when we say top 10 items, it's referring to the values. And also you can see the formatting which we already have given by the Excel. And also you can customize the formatting using the custom format option. But I've just used the green fill with dark green text, right, and click OK. Now I have among these 25 sales values, what are the top 10 sales. Alright, and then I want to know and I want to highlight what are the bottom 10 sales IDs, actually sales values. Same thing, select the range and come to the conditional formatting, top bottom rules, and this time the third one, bottom 10 items, right? Click on it and now you can see the bottom 10 items already highlighted. But let's say here I want to see only the bottom 5 sales values. So I just change the value to 5, but I go with light red fill with dark red text format because my management want to see it in red, right? So now we have the bottom 5 sales values. Okay, all right, so this is how we can use that top 10 bottom 10, right? Now let me clear the formatting. So just select the range, come to the conditional formatting, clear rules, then select clear rules from selected cells. Now I'm going to show you how to highlight top 10%. So remember in this conditional formatting option, when we say top 10%, it is not about values, it is about number of values, or we can say count. So here you can see there are 25 values, right? So out of 25, I want to know what are the top 10% number of values, right? So let me do it and then you will understand that. I just highlight the range and come to the conditional formatting, top bottom rules, come to the top 10%. Now here I want to see the 40% and I select again the green and click OK. Now you can see how many values have been highlighted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can see at bottom the sum is 859, right? And the count is 10. count is 10. So if you put into a formula 25 into 40%, it will be 10. So you can see the top 10% or the bottom 10% function, actually option, giving us based on the number of values, not based on the values. Hope it's clear to you, right? Now let me show you how we can do the same using bottom 10. Right, come to the top bottom rules and then the fourth one, bottom 10%, right? So I just highlighted two cells, so you can see 10, right? Why it's 2? Because out of 25 the 10% is 2.5, so that means it's highlighting only two values. Now let me clear this. Conditional formatting, clear rules, and then I'm going to show you about average, right? Same thing, conditional formatting, top bottom rules, above average. So when you click on it, oh wow, the average is 61.36 here. So the values above 61.3.6 are highlighted here. See? Right. So same thing will apply for the bottom as well. And that means below average here, right? So when I say below average, so below 61.36 will be highlighted in red. Alright, so that's how you can use these top bottom rules under the conditional formatting. This is really helpful when you are creating dashboards and also when you are doing analysis like sales analysis and purchasing analysis and supplier analysis. This is really handy tool for you. Hope this is helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching this. God bless you all.